Hello guys, Asif here. Today we are reviewing free traffic shortcut. So basically, if you are searching for traffic software or you are in problem of traffic in online business, so you are on the right place because this software, free traffic shortcut, will definitely solve the problem of traffic. And let's know more about this. I will also share you some cool bonuses those I will provide with this. So we will discuss in the later part of video. So let's back on review. So let's start. I personally used to generate high quality, super engaged free traffic and leverage it grow my email list, top affiliate leaderboards and continue scaling my business on a day-to-day basis. Plus, how you can use these same exact strategies to finally eliminate all your traffic problems. So, discover these unique high quality traffic generation strategies that are consistently bringing in new leads and generating high five figure per month with almost no expenses and just a couple of hours of work per day. So, this is the video provided by the software creator. Let's look a little demo what he is saying.
You are about to discover my internal free traffic generation system I personally use in my business to drive thousands of hyper-engaged visitors to my offers, funnels, and websites. More importantly, the same exact traffic generation system that I use to add hundreds of brand new subscribers to my email list every single month. Top affiliate leaderboards almost on a week.
So guys, if you want to watch this video, you can check the link in description box. I have already uploaded this video. In this video, you will clear why we face traffic problem in online business and how can you solve this through free traffic shortcut. So let's know more about this. So guys, if you are interested in buying free traffic shotgun, you can check the link in description box. Let's know more about this. These are some screenshots of payments on ClickBank. This is the Kevin Fahe, founder and creator of free traffic shotgun. Okay, let's know more about this chart. Shows this after using free traffic shotgun, the traffic increased suddenly. You can see on 12 December there was zero, and on from 19 December it was around 789 per day visit. So you can see, so generate super high quality hyper engaging free traffic without having to waste countless hours writing content or doing tedious tasks. Okay, at the end of the day, traffic is the lifeblood of absolutely any business. Absolutely right. So this one more chart. Using the traffic shortcut system in the past 30 days, we have sold worth of our own offers. As we can watch, we have also generated promoting other people's products, aka affiliate offers. Like after using the chart ups and down, it's not always same. It always up and down because daily visitors counting up and down. And what is interesting here, he is saying unique set and forget traffic generation strategy to opening the flood gets of high quality free traffic and turning it into cold hard cash in your bank account. So according to this, he is saying you just need to set and forget. You don't need to work daily to write a content. You just need to check, set and forget only. With that being said, here is exactly what included inside the traffic shotgun: step-by-step video training, additional tactics and strategies to maximize your ascents results with traffic shotgun, tools and resources, and high quality free traffic at your fingertips. Complicated? No, easy, absolutely. Okay. Strategies that are free, super fast, extremely simple, yet insanely effective. And these strategies are very straightforward and super simple. They don't require you to be a scientist or have any special kind of skills or knowledge. Okay, traffic shotgun can give you full control over your business and your income. Okay, but on the other hand, if you can truly control your traffic, growing your business is easy. I agree. When it comes to traffic, you either have it or you don't. Because without traffic, you can't earn money. So everything you want is on the other side of this very simple decision. So let's know more about this. Really think about it. Free traffic shotgun. So let's know more about its bonuses. Okay, this is the shotgun. You are also getting $361 in bonuses for free when you grab traffic shotgun bundle right now. So I truly believe this bundle will put more money in your pocket than any other single thing you could do, buy or experience. But also because I want to over deliver for you as much as possible, I want to give you 5 more special gifts when you claim your traffic shotgun bundle. These bonuses I almost didn't include because they could be entire products themselves. But I want you to have every advantage in building and growing your business as fast as humanly possible. Plus, I want this decision to be a no brainer for you. How to set up an online marketing funnel. Its value is $97. These are some extra bonuses else of this. So bonus number 2 is 3 times your profits training presentation. Its value is $97. And 15 monetization method access here. Its value is $97. So my extremely bold, no questions asked, triple threat money back guarantee. You are also getting money back guarantee. So let's conclude the free traffic shotgun. And here, and as a member, here's what you get: step by step video driving, traffic shotgun case studies, additional tools and resources, plus $361 worth of awesome bonuses. And the 3 bonuses those I have read earlier. So guys, in fact, if you are not head over heels about this training, just send me an email and I will give you a full refund if you are not satisfied with this software. So guys, if you are interested or you want to buy free traffic shotgun, you can check the link in description box. Before that, I would like to share you some hidden information. These are some upsells and downsells. The first front end price is free traffic shotgun is $16.95. The first upsell is email marketing on fire is $22. The upsell number 2 is IM VIP training and IM coaching series blowout is on $167. And the third upsell is IM checklist gold membership. Its value is $3. And marketing power pack, its value is $47. So these are some upsells. You just need to buy only first front end sale. If you want to learn more and you want to earn something extra, then you can buy these upsells one by one if you want, but it's not compulsory. And these are some bonuses, those I will provide you. How to achieve more in less time, because we all want to achieve more in less time. It's our necessary part of our life, in day to day life. The bonus number 2 is why people fail in affiliate marketing. Because guys, if you would know why people fail, then you have one extra chance to success in affiliate marketing. So you must watch this course. And bonus number 3 is how to increase your productivity. Guys, we all want to be productive. We all are busy, but we all are not productive. So if you want to be productive, you just need to watch this course. And the bonus number 4 is how to manage your time wisely. We all have, guys, same problem. We don't have time, but some people can manage all works and they have time for everything. But on the other hand, some people have no time, like you and me. So after this course, now I can say I have time whatever I want at any time, because we have to learn how to manage time effectively and wisely. So guys, if you want to grab all these bonuses, you just need to purchase free traffic shotgun from my given link in the description box, and just share the payment proof on my Instagram here. You can also follow my Instagram channel. Here I will share you all these bonuses, those I promised to you. And please like and subscribe my video, and leave a comment if you have any suggestion or any question. Thank you so much guys. Have a good day. We'll meet you on the another review video. Thanks again.